Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another wig review. Amazon store, I'm not even going to share the name, reached out to me and sent me this blonde wig. It was supposed to be a mixed blonde and brown wig, but it did include a wig cap, a netted wig cap. It also included hairpins, as well as some MAC eyelash dupes. Now, when this particular vendor reached out to me, the wig that they sent to me was more of a brown mix. It did have some blonde. So when I unboxed this wig, I was looking like, okay, it is a 16-inch mixed blonde as per the instructions. And they always mention that they look at my YouTube channels, how they're finding me. They're seeing my YouTube channel and they want to send me a product, you know, a wig or whatever it is for review. Knowing that, I would think they would kind of look and notice that I am a chocolate brown girl. The wig did come with a total of 2 combs in the front, and then it had the clasps in the back. Now, looking at the wig, I immediately knew that it wasn't my style of wig. The wig came very, very full on the top. It seemed like it needed to be kind of thinned out on the top, and you could kind of see where they made the wig. It was kind of stitched on the top. Now, there were a few things that I did like about it. This is a synthetic wig. I will not be listing the link or calling out this particular Amazon store because I'm not going to direct anyone to get this wig. Now, I will be posting this wig for sale on my Poshmark for an extremely low price. If you're interested in trying this out, or you know, dressing up, or have a Halloween party or a 70s party or a Golden Girls party and just want to dress up, this would be great for that. So direct links will be below in the description box. Now, what I did like about it, for it to be synthetic, I did like the feel of it. I mean, it was a full wig. I like how it had like the feather look to it, but the color and it just looked very, very wiggish to me. Definitely not my style, but I said that I would come on camera and just kind of show what was sent out to me. As always, feel free to rate, comment, and leave your comments below and let me know your thoughts on this wig. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.